What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. मेरी एक्साइटमेंट देख के और टाइटल पढ़ के आपको समझ ही गया होगा. I am going to Kashmir in 2 days और मैंने अभी तक अपनी पैकिंग नहीं की है. I bought a bunch of stuff, a new suitcase and a bunch of stuff that's gonna help me pack efficiently. So I thought let's do a haul and share the process with you. तो आप लोगों को भी help हो जाएगा in case you're going to some place where there is snow and you need to pack a bunch of stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As I said, काफी चीजें मैंने ऑर्डर की है, so let's do a quick haul first. The first thing I wanted to get myself is a new suitcase and look at this beauty. I love this color. मेरे पास जो existing वाला था that was in black color और वो काफी ज्यादा खराब हो चुका था. It's not even like that good quality, so I definitely wanted a new suitcase and this caught my eye. This is by Safari, by the way. It's their Urban Jungle collection. काफी ज्यादा color options भी है इसमें. इसका मुझे build quality, color, the way it looks, it's so sleek, attracted me the most. इसका अगर आप handle भी होल्ड करोगे ना, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली गुड क्वालिटी. इसका व्हील्स एज वेल, इट्स सो गुड. आप इसमें बैठ के घूम सकते हो लिटरली एयरपोर्ट पे. इट हैज 5 years ऑफ वारंटी. सिक्योरिटी वाइज इट डज हैव अ TSA लॉक एज वेल एज जो जिपर दिया हुआ है. इट डज हैव अ डबल लाइन जिपर, तो कोई भी इस पे ऐसे पेन डाल के ये ओपन नहीं कर सकता है. ये मीडियम साइज बैग है. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांटेड एंड आई लव द कलर एंड द वे इट लुक्स. Let's open it up because अंदर भी बहुत सारे compartments हैं. On one side it has this big compartment जहाँ पर आप major आपके बड़े कपड़े चीजें store कर सकते हो. Also the belt quality is really good. It has that pouch thing. I think यहाँ पर मैं mainly मेरा toothbrush और वो सारी चीजें रखूंगी ताकि वो separated रहे इससे. And on the other side, it has this big zip closure. Again, the quality of the zip is so good. As I said, 5 साल का वारंटी है. It covers everything. And ऊपर भी 2 zip है जहाँ पर आप चीजें स्टोर कर सकते हो. Quality of the कपड़ा is so good and the feel is really premium. Plus, this bag also comes with this pouch. Now, you can use this as a shoe bag or you can use this as a laundry bag. Whatever you want to use it as. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Suitcase check-in में जाएगा and cabin के लिए I'm gonna carry this bag. This by Lavi, by the way. I love this bag. It looks so chic. It has a bunch of compartments. So जो भी मुझे handy चीजें चाहिए, I'm gonna store it in this bag. And obviously सामान को organize रखने के लिए I bought this set of 7 travel packing cubes. मैं यहाँ पर photo pop up कर दूंगी exactly how it looks like. So it has 3 big packing cubes or 3 pouches and 1 toiletry organizer bag. I think this does have a shoe bag as well. I picked it up in this gray color, but they have bunch of color options as well. This is how the big packing cubes look like. Quality is really good. Zip का quality is also really good. अभी just open किया था. इसके अंदर ही ये सारी चीजें भी रखी हुई थी और यहाँ पर ये बेल्ट भी है, which is again everything is going to be in its place. And yeah, this is how the packing cube, the big one, looks like. Next, I picked up a makeup bag. I have a lot of makeup bags, but this one is different. I'll show you how. So ये bag जब आप open करते हो, it literally opens up this big. Like आप पूरा ऐसे flat कर सकते हो, which is so good, especially when you're traveling. You don't have to like figure out कहाँ पर क्या है. You can literally see everything because it opens up so big. You don't have to remove and organize it near the shelf. Especially जब आप रूम शेयर कर रहे हो with multiple people, you need to have something that is easy to access and stuff. Again, इसमें भी काफी ज्यादा color options है, but I love this beautiful color. इसमें जो flamingo का print है मुझे काफी ज्यादा पसंद आया, so I picked this one up and I think सूटकेस के साथ भी ये ज्यादा मैच हो रहा है, नहीं? नेक्स्ट आई पिक्ड अप दिस ज्वेलरी कैरी ऑर्गेनाइजर, आप बोल सकते हो. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. ये अगर मैं नीचे करूंगी तो यू कैन कैरी योर जो भी नेकलेसेस है वो आप यहाँ पर हैंग कर सकते हो. प्लस इट हैज दिस पाउच एज वेल जहाँ पर आपका जो भी पेंडेंट रहेगा दैट कैन सिट कंफर्टेबली. एंड ओवर हियर यू कैन हैव ऑल योर टॉप्स displayed right over here. I love these sections जहाँ पर आप आपके rings यहाँ पर रख सकते हो. You can keep your small earrings, everything well organized right over here. यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारा sections है. You can keep whatever you want. But yeah, I love this color specifically कि ये खराब नहीं होगा. and it's very sleek, and I love that there is a contrast of this like beigeish pink color. So this is gonna help me keep my jewelry organized and in place. And lastly, I picked this little guy up to store my brushes. इसमें ऐसा लगता है कि ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं है, बट अराउंड 4 to 5 ब्रशेस इजीली आ जाता है, एंड यू डोंट रियली नीड दैट मच while you're traveling. I just wanted to carry like one big one and few smaller ones. This is by Mars, by the way. I love the color as well. It's so pretty, so sleek. You can definitely add it in your makeup pouch as well, or you want to carry it separately, you can do that as well. The first thing I like to do is create the list of stuff that I need to pack ताकि मैं कुछ भी ना भूलूं. I've created a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna read out the title, तो आप लोग भी उस हिसाब से आपका लिस्ट बना सकते हो. The first one is going to be outfits. Outfits में मैं outfit क्या क्या कैरी करना है वो तो नहीं लिखती हूँ. Just overall warmers, gloves, beanies, earmuffs जो मुझे नहीं भूल कर जाना है. Jackets, slip-on boots, innerwear, sunglasses. तो ये लिखा हुआ है मैंने. The second one is toiletries, of course, a brush, toothbrush, toothpaste, tongue cleaner, tissue, shampoo, conditioner अगर आप carry कर रहे हो तो वो सारी चीजें. Next one is skincare and makeup. Again, everything that you're gonna carry. Just write it down, like oil cleanser, face wash, जो भी चीजें हैं. Skin tint, जो भी मुझे makeup में I'm gonna carry obviously very minimal stuff, but I've just wrote it down ताकि मैं कुछ भी ना भूलूं. And the other one is electronics, of course. Don't forget your chargers and whatever stuff that you need. And then medical emergencies, very important. And then I have written water bottle because I want to carry garam pani wherever I'm going. So water bottle I have to carry. Emergency cash, document जो आप carry करने वाले हो. So ये सारी चीजें मैंने लिखी हुई है. I'm gonna refer to this while I'm packing for my trip. The second thing I'm gonna do is finalize my outfit ताकि वो outfit create करने के लिए जो भी चीजें मुझे चाहिए वो मेरे पास हो. Plus it's gonna help me not overpack. Of course I'm gonna carry 1 or 2 extra outfits in case अगर कुछ हो गया, कुछ गीला हो गया, कुछ फट गया. I have a backup outfit. But other than that, I'm not carrying anything that I'm not going to use. So let's get started with outfits.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Finally, सारे outfits sort out हो गए. Now let's get the packing started.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
Finally packing हो चुका है. I'm very happy about it. ये आपको 1-2 मिनट का footage दिखागा, but this took me 2 to 3 hours to finally get it done. But I'm very happy about it, and I'm relieved कि packing हो चुका है, and now I can get all excited about being in Kashmir and enjoying it. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे product के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Do not forget to check them out, and hopefully you guys are excited for the Kashmir series because I am for sure. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go,